लेके रहेंगे भारत से लेंगे।
Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Salim Akhtar Khan, Chairperson, Department of English, University of Southern Punjab. I am connecting with you with reference to Youm-e-Istehsal Kashmir. Every year, on the 5th of August, Pakistan observes Youm-e-Istehsal Kashmir to remember a turning point in the history of Kashmir dispute. On this day, in 2019, India revoked Article 370 and 35A, ending the special constitutional status of Indian occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Pakistan views this action as a unilateral step that is inconsistent with the relevant United Nations resolution and international commitments concerning the disputed territories. This day reminds us that behind every political decision are millions of people whose lives, aspiration, and futures are deeply affected. The people of Kashmir have endured decades of uncertainty while continuing to preserve their identity, culture, and hope. As educator and responsible citizen, we believe that every nation and every individual deserves justice, dignity, and opportunity to live in peace. The Kashmir issue is not only a political matter, it is also a humanitarian concern that calls for dialogue, wisdom, respect for international law. Today, we reaffirm our solidarity with the people of Kashmir and express our hope that this long-standing issue will be resolved through peaceful means in accordance with the international law and the aspiration of the Kashmiri people. Let's continue to raise awareness with responsibility, advocate for peace with sincerity, and uphold the values of justice and humanity. Pakistan Zindabad, Kashmir Paindabad.
लेके रहेंगे भारत से लेंगे।